Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually share your Google Meet link or the invitation link through your WhatsApp chat to your friends or clients or any other important person that you want to join them to your meeting from your laptop. So here is my laptop screen, so you can simply click on this new meeting, but first you can just open your Google Chrome browser, then simply click on this 9 dot button and you can find this Google Meet application. Then from here you can simply click on new meeting here. So if you want to create it, so you can create a meeting for later, you can schedule it for later, and you can set the timing also. Now you can also start an instant meeting. So I'm going to start the instant meeting right now. So here you can see it is just creating the meeting room. So I'm going to you have to give the permission to using your microphone and your camera. So right now I don't have any webcam, that's why it's not accessing it. So here you can find that your meeting is ready. So you can simply add other people's by their Gmail. Here you can enter your email address, their email address, and you can add them from here. Or otherwise, here is the link that will actually help you to invite people through different types of social media by sharing only this link, and people can actually enter to your Google Meet room with this link. So here you can see I'm on the like this. So I'm on WhatsApp, so I'm going to share it. So here is the Meet link here. So here it is. So if anyone get through it, if you click on it, then they can actually get into that meeting room, and they can actually join through that link. So that's how you can share your meeting link through WhatsApp. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.